Seniors, I need you to listen carefully to what I'm about to tell you because it may save your life or the life of someone you love. Just a few months ago, Mary, a 74-year-old retired nurse, walked into my office shaking with fear. She told me that the night before she had woken up around 2 a.m. to use the bathroom. As she got up, her legs felt like they weren't even hers. Her knees buckled, her vision blurred, and before she could even call her husband's name, she collapsed face first on the hallway floor. By the time she was rushed to the hospital, she was pale, confused, and barely able to respond. And here's the shocking part. Her blood sugar had crashed to a dangerously low level, her potassium was almost non-existent, and her heart rhythm was unstable. Now here's the real wake-up call. Mary thought she was eating healthy. She thought she was doing everything right. She avoided desserts, fried foods, and even cut down on red meat. But she had completely overlooked one of the simplest, most powerful tools nature has given us, specific energizing fruits that seniors absolutely need every single day to keep their strength, protect their hearts, and shield their brains. She wasn't missing medicine. She wasn't missing some miracle supplement. She was missing fruit. And if this can happen to Mary, it can happen to you. That's why I want you to stay with me for the next several minutes, because what I'm about to share may shock you, but it may also give you hope. Hope that you can stay strong, sharp, and vital well into your 70s, 80s, and even 90s. Before I dive in, do me one favor, hit that subscribe button right now, comment below with, "I'm ready," and give this video a like. Why? Because the information I'm sharing is life-saving, and you'll want to stay connected so you never miss the next health breakthrough that could keep you or your loved ones safe. Now let's break this down. Most seniors come to me complaining about three main issues: low energy, poor memory, and constant weakness. They say things like, "Doctor, I just don't feel like myself anymore," or "I wake up tired and I go to bed tired," or "I can't remember what I went into the kitchen for." Sound familiar? If you're nodding your head right now, you're not alone. But here is the shocking truth. Much of this isn't IT because you are just getting old. It's because your body is starving at the cellular level. Your muscles, your brain, and your heart aren't being given the raw materials they need to run properly, and the tragedy is this isn't complicated. The solution is as simple as adding the right fruits that are clinically proven to boost your energy, improve your memory, and protect your strength. Let's start with the first fruit, and I know it's going to sound simple, but you need to hear me out. The banana. You might be thinking, bananas? Really? That's it? Yes, and here's why. Bananas are one of the most concentrated natural sources of potassium you can get. And potassium isn't just some random mineral you hear about. Potassium is the spark plug for your muscles, your nerves, and your heart. Without enough of it, your muscles weaken, your blood pressure spikes, your heart rhythm stumbles, and your energy crashes. Now here's the scary part. As we age, our kidneys naturally lose efficiency. That means even if you're eating enough food, your potassium balance can still be off. Add in common medications, like water pills or blood pressure medications, and potassium loss becomes even more severe. I've had patients land in the ER with irregular heartbeats simply because they weren't eating enough potassium-rich foods. And the benefit of bananas? They deliver that potassium in a form that your body absorbs quickly and easily. One medium banana gives you about 422 milligrams of potassium. Just one. That's like putting jumper cables on a weak car battery. It wakes your system back up. Think about this. How many times have you had nighttime leg cramps? How many times have you felt dizzy when standing up? How many times has your blood pressure been stubbornly high despite your medications? Those could all be signs of potassium imbalance. And eating one banana a day could be your secret weapon. The benefit is clear: fewer cramps, steadier blood pressure, a calmer heartbeat, and more stable energy throughout your day. And it's soft, easy to chew, and gentle on digestion. Even if you have dental issues or stomach sensitivity, bananas are friendly to your body. But don't run to the kitchen just yet, because while bananas fuel your muscles and heart, there's another fruit that does something equally powerful, but for your brain. And if you skip this one, you're leaving your memory completely unprotected. The next fruit is blueberries. Now, blueberries aren't just a superfood buzzword. They are one of the most scientifically studied fruits for brain health. Inside those tiny dark blue skins are anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that cross directly into your brain tissue. Let me put this simply. Most antioxidants never make it past your bloodstream. Blueberries do. They go right to your neurons, the cells responsible for your memory, your focus, and your mood. And here's the shocking part. The older you get, the more inflammation builds up in your brain. This inflammation chokes your brain cells like weeds strangling a garden. It dims your mental light bulbs. And what happens next? Forgetfulness, confusion, slower thinking, and eventually, even dementia. But here's the benefit. Blueberries fight back. They literally sweep away the inflammation and protect your neurons. Multiple clinical studies show that seniors who eat just 1 cup of blueberries 3 to 4 times a week perform better on memory tests. They remember names more easily. They recall lists. They even improve balance and coordination. Think about that for a second. Not just sharper memory, but steadier walking and fewer falls, all from a cup of blueberries. Let me tell you about Robert, a 69-year-old retired teacher who came to see me. His wife was worried because he was forgetting basic things, appointments, phone numbers, where he left the car keys. He was embarrassed and frustrated. Instead of loading him up on medications right away, I told him to change one thing: add blueberries to his daily diet. Within 6 weeks, he was like a different man. He could remember his grocery list without writing it down. He followed conversations better, and the sparkle in his eyes came back. His wife told me, "Doctor, it feels like I have my husband back." And it wasn't from a pill, it was from fruit. So now let's tie this together. The 2 energizing fruits every senior should eat are bananas and blueberries. Bananas for strength, potassium, and heart stability. Blueberries for brain sharpness, memory, and balance. These aren't exotic. They're not expensive. You don't need to import them from halfway around the world. You can find them at any grocery store, often year-round, and they're affordable. Here's how to do it practically. In the morning, have a banana with your breakfast. It pairs well with oatmeal, yogurt, or even just by itself. It will keep your energy steady through the morning and help prevent those mid-morning crashes. Then, later in the day, maybe as a snack or with dinner, add a cup of blueberries. Fresh, frozen, or even dried without added sugar, they all count. Mix them into a smoothie, sprinkle them on a salad, or just eat them plain. Make it a daily ritual, like brushing your teeth. But here is the looping curiosity I want to leave you with. If these 2 simple fruits can stabilize your energy, protect your heart, and shield your brain, imagine what your life could look like if you actually commit to this daily. More independence, more confidence, more joy. Being able to play with your grandkids, drive safely, and remember the moments that matter most. Now let me give you the hard truth. If you ignore this, if you continue skipping the right fruits and reaching for processed snacks, your body will keep slipping. The fatigue will worsen. The brain fog will grow heavier. The risks of collapse, of memory loss, of hospitalization, they'll increase. I've seen it too many times, and I don't want that for you. So here's my prescription. Starting today, 1 banana and 1 cup of blueberries every single day. Write it on your calendar. Put it on your fridge. Tell your spouse. Share it with your friends. Make it non-negotiable. Because the seniors who do this aren't just adding fruit to their diet, they re-adding years to their life and life to their years. And now it's your turn. Take action. Don't just listen. Do it. And while you're here, protect yourself by subscribing to this channel right now. Type "I'm in" the comments below so I know you're committed. And hit that like button, because the more you engage, the more seniors like you will see this video and change their lives. Seniors, your future depends on the choices you make today. You can choose weakness, confusion, and decline, or you can choose strength, clarity, and vitality. 2 fruits, 1 banana, 1 cup of blueberries. Every day. That's your path forward. Don't wait until it's too late. Start now. Subscribe, comment, and stay connected. Because I promise you, the next videos I share will give you even more tools to protect your health and independence.